Alright guys, before we get into this video, I want you to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get notified when I post a new video. Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the Sharper Image. It might be like, it's like flipped, but this is the Sharper Image digital counting jar. Okay guys, let's go unbox this. Called.
A few moments later.
Oh, the moment of truth. Here's the peek first. Yes, here's the first. Alright guys, let's go take this thing off here. There's a box, some sort of. This out of the box. Discover thousands of hard to find products. Home comfort, massage and pain relief, sound solutions, gadget gifts and more. $25 Sharper Image. That is actually cool guys. You know why? $25 gift card for a $5 this. It's only like $6 and $5. Just cardboard stuff. We don't need that. Right. This is what we're here for. But yeah, so guys, I'm gonna be giving this away because I don't need this. If you guys ever if you guys buy stuff off me, I'll give it to you guys. So to win this giveaway, all you gotta do is comment down anything. Comment down that I watched your video, I like your video. Subscribe, I'll give it to you. Also on the box, it says alright, if you guys get this, here, look right here. Yeah, these are the stuff on it right here. Also says you need batteries. It doesn't come with batteries. It's AAA, the skinny ones, small ones. AAA batteries. You guys need to get that if you guys want to get this. That's what it is. When I first got the box, if you guys get this, don't worry, because I thought there was nothing in there. I thought it was like empty, but it's just you expect it to be heavier, but it's like AAA light. So yeah, I thought it was like empty, but it's actually like in there. Alright guys. Let's go unscrew this and put batteries in there. And then, boom! See? AAA dudes. And let's go. Take off the batteries off this remote. This is AAA. Let's put it on here, see how it works. Put that in there. Screw this back on. Woo. 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 If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like the like button and like the subscribe button. Alright, got that done. That's what it looks like. And to mess with it, say you want to change it, like for some reason it doesn't work, hold the plus for 3 seconds, does this. Of course, plus is add it, and minus subtract it. Let's say you put 10 cents, but it doesn't work. It's not working. You can just do it manually. Right. Let's go to Tab to see if it really works and if it's worth it. Right, so I pulled out a penny here. I'm gonna put it in. It works. 1 cent. Flip this way, let me show it this way. Yeah, 1 cent right there. 1 cent. Right. A nickel. This is a nickel. 5 cents. Should be 6 cents once I put it in. I see 6 cents. 6. Right. A dime should be 16 cents. 16. Voice crack. Oops. Right. Quarter. 25 cents. I don't know how much it'll be, but here goes. 41 cents. 41 cents. Alright. This is pretty much the video. Doing a giveaway. To win, comment down I like the video, I watched the video, then got it. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. I also do gaming, so yeah. I also have an Instagram and Twitter, don't forget to follow it. My usernames will be in the box down below, so yeah, peace.